Hey everyone, what's up? Today I'm going to be talking to you about a new YouTube tool called Dream Screen. Dream Screen is an AI-powered tool that allows you to add AI-generated image or video backgrounds to your YouTube Shorts videos. Dream Screen is still under development, but it has the potential to be a powerful tool for YouTube Shorts creators. It can be used to create unique and engaging backgrounds for your videos, without the need for expensive equipment or special skills. To use Dream Screen, simply type in a prompt, and the AI will generate an image or video background for you. You can also choose from a variety of pre-made backgrounds. Once you have chosen a background, you can add it to your YouTube Shorts video with just a few clicks. There are many benefits to using Dream Screen. Here are a few. It can help you to stand out from other YouTube Shorts creators. It can save you time and money, as you don't need to invest in expensive equipment or hire a professional to create backgrounds for you. It can help you to stand out from other YouTube Shorts creators. Here are a few examples of how you can use Dream Screen in your YouTube Shorts videos. If you're doing a cooking video, you could use Dream Screen to add a background of a restaurant kitchen or a beautiful outdoor setting. If you're doing a travel video, you could use Dream Screen to add a background of the Eiffel Tower or the Grand Canyon. If you're doing a comedy sketch, you could use Dream Screen to add a background of a spaceship or a castle. Dream Screen is a new and exciting tool for YouTube Shorts creators. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and share videos. If you're looking for a way to create more engaging and visually appealing YouTube Shorts videos, then I highly recommend checking out Dream Screen. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about Dream Screen. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more YouTube tips and tricks.